Welcome to English Steps, the podcast to help you learn English step by step.
I'm Lina.
And I'm Adam. Let's learn English together.
Let's go.
Hello, Lina.
Hello, Adam.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Are you ready to learn English?
Yes, I'm excited.
Lina, tell me, why do you want to learn English?
I want to travel. I also need English for my job.
That's perfect. English is useful for travel, work, and study. Many people learn English today.
Yes, it's a global language.
Let's learn 5 useful words. Repeat after me. Perth, language,
Language.
travel,
Travel.
work,
Work.
important,
Important.
learn.
Learn. Key phrases. Practice.
Repeat these phrases. I want to learn English.
I want to learn English.
English is important.
English is important.
I need English for work.
I need English for work. Mini dialogue.
Lina, why do you want to learn English?
I want to travel and I need English for work.
That's great. Keep going and practice every day.
I will. Thank you, Adam.